developed a love for cutlets, and I'm making a beautiful, easy eggplant keto cutlets. Yes, these are your aubergines cutlet I'm making, and you're going to just love the flavor of it. I have given a typical Mediterranean flavor to it, and you're just going to love it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I'm preparing keto eggplant cutlets, and you're going to just love it. So let's begin with it. This is one of the best cutlets I had in so many days, I could say. I have used roasted eggplants, you can use boiled eggplants even, or steamed eggplants, that is your aubergine. I have added some homemade paneer or cottage cheese, whatever you call. Some cheese goes into it, some almond flour goes into it. If you don't want to add almond flour, you can add any other flour like sunseed flour or pumpkin seed flour or walnut flour. Some green chillies goes into it, some garlic goes into it, and now I'm dropping some salt. And here comes the delicious Mediterranean touch into it. Yes, that's the Zaatar spice, and I'm just giving it a good mix. Yes, give it a good mix. So just crumble all the ingredients and give it a perfect mix so that the flavor of the Zaatar or Zaatar, whatever you call, gets engulfed in the mixture properly. So you want a mixture that is a bit holdable. So now I've taken the sesame seeds. So my mixture of the cutlet is prepared. I'm going to take small portion of it, roll it between my palm, flatten it a bit, and just drop it over the sesame seed and roll it again in the sesame seed. Yes, Mediterranean dishes without sesame seeds sounds unfamiliar, you know. So here I'm just rolling between the sesame seed. Similarly, I'm making some more, and can you see beautifully my pieces have come out. I'm making half the portion right now, other half I'll make it afterwards when I'm going to have it. So my pieces or the cutlet pieces are ready for shallow fry. So now I'm going to heat a non-stick pan or tawa or griddle and just grease it with some oil. Yes, just splatter the pan with the oil, and I'm going to place the eggplants. Yeah, here comes the eggplants cutlet, which are ready to be roasted, and you can also air fry it even. So here I'm just shallow frying it. Let it cook on medium to slow flame, and so here I'm applying some oil over it. Brush a little more of oil so that it becomes more crunchy. My one side is done, and I'm going to just flip it over. Yes, take another spatula or spoon or fork, whatever you feel comfortable, and see, can you see beautiful golden color it has taken? And similarly I'm going to cook it from the other side even. See, can you see the smoke coming out of it? Already it has a smoky flavor because I've used the roasted eggplants. You know, when you roast the eggplant, just apply oil over it, and then if you roast it over the gas stove or in the oven, the skin peels out easily. So just grease the skin of the eggplant and then roast it. This is the way I do it. See, it's done. I'm going to just take it out. Perfectly cooked. See, beautiful. Doesn't it look lovely? My eggplant cutlets are done. And now I'm serving on a tray. I'm going to have this as a snack or as my main meal even. And so if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this delicious, super easy eggplant cutlets, yes, with that beautiful Mediterranean flavor. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.